Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the very first chapter of computer, that is evolution of computer. In this chapter we are going to study about history of computer and how computer have evolved over a period of time. So let's get started. Computers have gained a lot of popularity in the last couple of decades. In earlier days, a computer was such a big machine that it required space like a complete room, and its maintenance cost was beyond the limit of a common man. A common man could not have thought to have a computer for his personal use. So, you all must have used a computer, yes or no? We have seen computers at various places like in our school, at home, and in banks, offices, etc. That means computers are very popular. It has gained a lot of popularity in the last couple of decades. But in the earlier days, a computer was a very big machine. Very big machine. How much big? That it require a complete room. Okay, and the main cost of maintenance was not affordable by a common man. So if a common man cannot afford to maintain a computer and the space required is very large like a complete room, so how can he even think of using a computer for his personal use? So a common man cannot even think about using a computer for his personal use. But nowadays, 1 in every 3 person is using computer in some way or the other. From bulky machines to small SIM cards, all become possible because of the ever-changing technological world. But nowadays, what we see that almost every person is using a computer. You must have used computer in school. In computer labs, you can see 16 to 17 computers only in one room. That means nowadays the computer is not a very big machine. It requires only small space. Okay, that means with the changing technology, the size of the computer becomes smaller. Okay, from bulky machine to small SIM cards, we all have used computer in one way or other. Moving on to the next paragraph. Computers have evolved over a period of time. The development of the present day computer can be studied with reference to the different generations of computing devices. So, computer now, this is called evolution, that a computer was of very big size and it was very costly in its earlier days, but with passage of time it became cheaper, smaller in size, affordable. So computers have evolved, and we can study the development of computer from the various generations of computing devices. Okay, so what we have studied is that a computer, जो हमारा कंप्यूटर होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है. आप सबने अपने घरों में, ऑफिस में, स्कूल में कंप्यूटर को देखा है और बहुत बच्चों ने उस पर काम भी किया हुआ है. इसका मतलब कंप्यूटर बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है. बट जब स्टार्टिंग के डेज थे तब कंप्यूटर जो है बहुत ही बड़ा होता था कि उसको रखने के लिए एक पूरा रूम चाहिए होता था और उसकी को मेंटेन करने का कॉस्ट भी बहुत ज़्यादा था. इसलिए एक कॉमन मैन, आम आदमी, उसको मेंटेन नहीं कर सकता था और उसको पर्सनल यूज़ के बारे में तो सोच नहीं सकता था. पर्सनल यूज़ का मतलब जैसे अगर हमारे घर में कंप्यूटर है तो हम उसको बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. वीडियो गेम्स खेलने के लिए, ईमेल भेजने के लिए, तो ये सब हमारे पर्सनल यूज़ है. बट आजकल आप सब क्या देख रहे हो कि कंप्यूटर का हर कोई यूज़ कर रहा है. ऑलमोस्ट हर पर्सन के पास कंप्यूटर है या वो यूज़ तो उसने किया ही हुआ है। तो अर्लियर डेज में जो एक बल्कि मशीन थी, यानी कि बहुत बड़ी हैवी मशीन थी, वो जो है वो चेंज हो गई है एक स्मॉल और चीपर प्रोडक्ट में, यानी कि वो छोटा हो गया साइज़ में, सस्ता हो चुका है ताकि हम सब भी उसको खरीद सकते हैं, अफोर्डेबल है। ये क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी दिन में दिन अपग्रेड हो रही है, अपडेट हो रही है, ठीक है। इसलिए जैसे कि आपका फ़ोन्स है, वो पहले कैसे आते थे? पहले आपके फ़ोन्स जो है वो बड़े बड़े होते थे, जो उसमें नंबर्स होते थे, बटन वाले फ़ोन होते थे। बट अब कैसे आ रहे हैं? टच स्क्रीन आ रहे हैं। पहले के फ़ोन्स की पिक्चर क्वालिटी बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं थी, बट आजकल के फ़ोन की क्वालिटी जो है बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है, बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी है, पिक्चर क्वालिटी, बहुत अच्छी फ़ोटोज़ आती है। तो ये सब क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि हमारी जो टेक्नोलॉजी है वो हमारी चेंज हो रही है और दिन में दिन बेहतर होती जा रही है, इस वजह से। तो सिमिलरली कंप्यूटर भी जो है टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंज की वजह से पहले से बहुत ही अच्छा हो चुका है, ठीक है। इसको कहते हैं इवोल्यूशन। इवॉल्व होने का मतलब है डेवलपमेंट, जो कि ग्रेजुअली हो रही है, धीरे धीरे जो कोई चीज़ डेवलप होती है उसको एवोल्यूशन कहते हैं, ठीक है। और आप स्टडी कर सकते हो कि आपका कंप्यूटर जो आज हमें दिख रहा है, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा एफिशिएंट है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा चीप है, वो कैसे डेवलप हुआ वो आप स्टडी कर सकते हो वेरियस जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटिंग डिवाइसेस से। सो इन ईच जनरेशन there was drastic technological improvement. The computer became smaller, cheaper, more powerful, efficient and reliable day by day. So जो कंप्यूटर्स है आपके, ओके, कंप्यूटर जो है उसको डेवलपमेंट आप स्टडी कर सकते हो various generation of computer से. So in this chapter we will study about different generation of computer, that is first generation, second generation, third generation and more, okay. But and from studying these generation we can know how computer have evolved over a period of time. In each generation, there were drastic technological improvements and the computer becomes smaller, cheaper, more powerful, efficient and reliable day by day. So in each generation, there were very drastic technological improvement. That means there is improvement in technology. It become better with each generation. As a result of that, the computer becomes smaller, that the size of the computer becomes smaller. Now it does not require a very big room, okay. We can place a computer on a table and in one room we can place a large number of computers, and it becomes cheaper. That means even a common man can buy a computer. It's cheap, it is very more powerful than its earlier version, it is efficient and reliable. Efficient means that a computer is able to work well without making any mistake or wasting time and energy. That means it is quite efficient. Reliable means that you can trust the computer. The result that we will get from a computer is 100% accurate, provided the input we have given is accurate, okay. That means जो आप हर एक जनरेशन के साथ आपका जो है टेक्नोलॉजी में बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट आता गया, उसके चलते आपका कंप्यूटर जो है, आज का कंप्यूटर आपका बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा है, सस्ता है, पावरफुल है, एफिशिएंट और रिलेबल है। एफिशिएंट का मतलब आप चाहे कंप्यूटर से कितना भी काम करवा लो वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं थकेगा, ठीक है। वो बिना किसी गलती के, बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए, एनर्जी वेस्ट किए आपको बिल्कुल फटाफट काम करके देगा। इसका मतलब वो बहुत एफिशिएंट होता है। रिलेबल का मतलब क्या है? आपको जो भी रिजल्ट मिलेगा कंप्यूटर से, आपने कोई कैलकुलेशन की, बहुत बड़ी कैलकुलेशन की, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, प्लस माइनस डिवाइड जो भी किया, वो आपका बिल्कुल आंसर प्रॉपर मिलेगा, ओके। इसका मतलब है रिलेबल। अब जो है, आप एक बात बताओ, इफ़ आई gave you a multiplication sum. Okay, it might be possible that you can do a mistake. Okay, but if we calculate it using a computer, then there will be no mistake. That means it is reliable, and you might take 5 minutes for calculation. Okay, and if I give you 10 or 15 sums of multiplication and division, then you will feel very tired after some time. But computer can do work, and it will not waste any time, and it can work all day. Okay, so it is very efficient and very powerful. So now, before learning about generation of computer, let us learn about some early computing devices. So I have told you that we can study about computer, how it have evolved over a period of time through generations. But before studying various generations of computer, we have to study about computing devices that I will teach you in the next class. Okay, so today I have taught you about the history of computer of chapter 1, evolution of computers. So I hope you have understood this. For your reference, I have written few words which will be helpful for you to study this chapter. So the first word is beyond. Beyond means outside a limit. That means in earlier days, computer was very big machines, and a common man cannot buy it. It is beyond his limits. That is, he can't buy it. उसके खरीदने की कैपेसिटी के परे था, outside a limit. Bulky means large and heavy machines. In earlier days, computer was a bulky machine. Bulky means large and heavy machine. Heavy. Evolved, to develop gradually. But with the passage of time, over a decade, the computers have evolved. Evolve means it developed slowly, gradually, okay, with each passing generation. Efficient, and I have told you earlier, efficient means able to work well without making or wasting time and energy. That is, a computer is able to work well without making any mistake or wasting any time and energy. Reliable, that you can trust. And the calculations done by computer and the result given by computer is 100% accurate. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you all understand this chapter, and I will continue this chapter in the next class. Till then, please study, please read this chapter at least 2 times. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.